It's a Saturday afternoon in Melbourne. The sun is warm, the sky is bright, and people are out and about. Laughter echoes through the streets. My walk starts in Federation Square, the heart of Melbourne. Here, modern buildings stand alongside older historic ones. It's a great spot to relax and watch the city come to life. Street performers entertain the crowds, and there's a feeling of excitement in the air. I cross the Yarra River. The water shines in the sunlight and rowers glide smoothly down the river. I watch them, wishing I could join them on their peaceful trip. The city skyline is ahead, and I'm ready to see more. I walk along Southbank, a lively area by the river. Street musicians play happy tunes and cafes have tables set up outside. The smell of coffee is everywhere. It's hard not to feel happy here. My walk takes me to Flinders Street Station, a famous Melbourne landmark. Its clocks have been telling time for over 100 years. I think about all the journeys that started here, under its big dome. Each one is a story waiting to be told. I keep walking towards the Royal Botanic Gardens. These gardens are a calm escape from the busy city. I'm surrounded by green plants, and the sounds of birds replace the sounds of cars. It's hard to believe I'm still right in the middle of Melbourne. Leaving the gardens, I find myself in Fitzroy. This cool neighborhood is full of character. Old-style shops and art galleries line the streets. Street art adds bright colors everywhere. It's a treat for the eyes. I stop for a coffee at a local cafe. The barista remembers what I usually order. We chat about the Australian rules football game. This friendly feeling is part of what makes Melbourne special. It makes you feel like you belong. As the sun starts to set, I head towards St Kilda. The beach is calling me, and I can almost smell the salty air. Melbourne is great at mixing the excitement of a city with the relaxing feel of the coast. It's a perfect combination. The sky is full of bright colors as the sun sets. People gather on the St Kilda Pier to watch the sky turn orange, pink, and purple. It's a wonderful end to a wonderful day. Walking through Melbourne on a Saturday afternoon is an amazing experience. The city is full of energy and excitement. It's a place where you can be yourself and enjoy life. As I walk home, I think about my day, the things I saw, the sounds I heard, the people I met. Melbourne has a way of making you fall in love with it. It's a city that stays with you long after you leave.